Are you looking for CryptoTab Browser payment proof? Then this video is for you. My name is Michael, and a while ago I published a full tutorial about CryptoTab Browser, and many people have since asked me to actually show payment proof and show how I actually redeem. So therefore I decided to record this video here where I do not only show you payment proof so you can actually verify that you will get paid before you invest any time here, but I will also show you how to actually redeem step by step so you know exactly how it works. So before I start, I just want to make it clear that this is not a full CryptoTab Browser tutorial where I show exactly how it works. I have that somewhere else on my channel, and I will leave a link in the top corner here to the full tutorial. This is a video where I will just focus on showing you how to actually cash out and also show you payment proof. So I just wanted to make that clear so you know exactly what to expect. But with that said, let's now just jump straight into it and show you how to cash out and also show you payment proof. So I'm now on the main dashboard here, and you can see here how much I have in my account right now, and you can see what it is in Bitcoin, because you earn Bitcoin when you're actually using CryptoTab to mine, and then you can see how much it is currently worth in US dollars. And this is the total earnings, because this is both what you have earned by mining yourself, but also by inviting others, because you can earn quite a lot by also keep inviting others. So that's a good thing to actually remember, to just use it as much as you can yourself on different devices, but also to make sure to actually invite other people, because that can help boost your earnings as well. But anyways, that's not the topic of this video here. I will make another video some other time about how you can do different things to earn more. In this video here, we need to focus on how you can actually get your earnings out and also on the payment proof. But as you can see, this is Bitcoin. And that also means that you can only withdraw Bitcoin. So it's only relevant if you're actually interested in earning Bitcoin. Of course, you can withdraw Bitcoin to any Bitcoin wallet that you have. And then from there, you can exchange it to other cryptocurrencies or into US dollars or euros or whatever you want. So in that sense, you can also convert it into cash if you want to. There's just an extra step like that. But anyways, no matter what, the first step is that you need to withdraw the Bitcoin here. And all you then need to do is just to click this withdraw BTC button here. And as you can see, there's a minimum amount here, and that is 0.00001 BTC Bitcoin that you need to actually earn before you can cash out. This is a very low payout threshold, which is really great. Of course, how much it is worth depends on the current rate of Bitcoin, but it is currently less than 40 cents you actually need to earn to be able to cash out. And that's one thing I really like about this, is that you can very quickly earn enough to actually get paid. So far, I have not used it that much yet. That's also why I only have just above $2 in my account right now. But I wanted to record this video as soon as possible because so many people have asked me about it. And I think it's quite important to actually verify that you will get paid before you start investing any time here. But what you then need to do here to cash out is to put your Bitcoin address here. And if you are completely new to Bitcoin or cryptocurrencies in general, then you need to be aware that you need, first of all, to have a Bitcoin wallet. It is free to sign up for. And the platform that I will use for this video here is one that I really like. It's called Binance. That can be the one you use also, and I will leave a link below here so you can join that if you do not yet have a wallet. Once you join, you will also automatically have a Bitcoin wallet and a wallet for a lot of other cryptocurrencies. But you can use any wallet of your choice if you have another wallet already. But the way you do it is more or less the same no matter which wallet you have. You need to find Bitcoin and then you need to click it. Sometimes you just click it and then you can see how to deposit or something like that. Here it's also called deposit. That's usually what it's called, where you need to click to actually find the wallet key there, or the wallet code there. So I just need here to click deposit, and then this is Bitcoin, and I need to select a network here, which will be Bitcoin network here. And then it will display my wallet address here. Of course, I've blurred it out now, and then you need to copy that. And again, no matter the wallet you will use, you will get this address here, and that is what you need to copy and then paste into CryptoTab. So I will just copy it here now, and I am now pasted it in here, and then you need to select the amount that you actually want to get paid. And you can also just here choose to click max, meaning that you will just choose the full amount you currently have in your account. So I will just do that here, and then you need to solve a captcha here. And then there's a withdraw button here that you just need to click. And as you can see, then you need to confirm the withdrawal on the email address that you actually signed up with. So you need to make sure to go into your inbox there and click confirmation link. So I'll just pause this video here and jump and confirm that now. And I got the email right away, and I just clicked the link there, and then you can see withdrawal confirmed, and then it says here they will make the payment of the BTC soon. It usually takes within 1 business day here. So as you can see, it is actually really easy, but on the screen here I will also leave a screenshot of the email I will end up getting from Binance that confirms that the money actually did go into my Binance account, so you can see that CryptoTab actually does pay, and there I will also write exactly how long it took before the Bitcoin actually went into my Binance account. So as you can see, CryptoTab Browser actually does pay, and it does pay fairly quickly. So if you have been worried about that, you can see you do not have to worry. You will actually get paid. And what I really do like about CryptoTab is that it is super easy, because you do actually not have to do anything. You just need to install it. And if you install it on several devices, of course you can earn more. And then you just let it run in the background, and you can use the browser, your computer, your phone as you usually would, and then just earn passively in the background. I know that now I will get some questions about how long did it take you to earn those $2. So let me just address that right away. The thing is just that it is difficult to say exactly how long it will take. This is what I have earned so far, but your results might be even better, or they might not be as great. There's a lot of things that depends on. First of all, it of course depends on how many devices you actually install CryptoTab on. Are you using it just on one computer or just one phone? Are you using it on several phones and several computers? Have you upgraded to any of the boosts that you can get there? Have you gotten the paid version of the app? Are you using the free version? There's a lot of different things. And then also, of course, have you invited other people to actually also start using it? Because that is also a great way to boost your earnings. So I cannot give you an exact answer for how long it in general will take. I can say that for me, it has taken maybe 2 to 3 weeks here. And I've of course not really done anything to earn this here. I have let it run in the background, and then I have invited some other people also, and this is what I have earned without actually investing in any of the boosts or anything like that. So if you do that, then you can potentially earn more, but I explain more about that in the full tutorial, and as I already mentioned, I have a link in the top corner here of this video if you want to see more about that. But that's just because I want to give you an idea, because I know many people will ask that, but that does not guarantee that you can earn this much here. And maybe you can also even earn a lot more. There are a lot of things that depends on, but no matter what is great about CryptoTab is that it is a passive way to earn, and as you can see, it actually does pay. So to sum it all up, CryptoTab Browser is a platform where you actually can earn Bitcoin by mining passively. And that was the point of this video here, to show you step by step how to redeem, and also to show you payment proof, because a lot of you have asked about that. And I hope that this video helped you, and if it did, then make sure to hit the like button, and also don't forget to subscribe to my YouTube channel and hit the notification bell so you won't miss out next time this video with tips and tricks about how to earn some extra money online for free.